mile 6. Feeling pretty good overall. Small little climb right before mile 6.
Yeah.
But pretty good. Feeling hydrated, feeling strong. All right, halfway there. Back to the road. Just past 7. I think that was the peak. Not much to review, but lots of green. It's okay though. We're heading downhill now. Feeling good overall. Feeling hydrated. Ate an orange. Drank a little bit more water at the aid station. Yeah. All right, downhill we go. Hey everybody, all right, Sasquatch Double is done. At the 5K yesterday, I got second place in my age group, which is the 40 to 44, finishing in about, what was that, 25 and some change, 25 minutes, right? And yeah, today hit the half marathon, which was amazing, lots of green. I was a little disappointed because I didn't get a chance to see the mountain, or the volcano itself, but overall it was just an amazing opportunity to come out here and run. Elevation got to me just a little bit, but not too bad. So now I'm out of here, and I'm going to take the scenic route down to Mount Hood, because that, my friends, is going to be race number 2, starting tomorrow at 8 a.m. Yeah, it's going to be a good time. So for now, I'm going to drive over the mountain and through the woods. It's to Mount Hood I go. We are Mount Hood. Got about 10 minutes till start time, so actually I got to start heading over there, but this is it, man. Starting at about 5,300 feet, 13 miles, 13.1. Look at that beauty. Whew. Oh yeah, nice.
Oh, almost saved it.
Oh, that was crazy. Nice one, man.
Oh wow. Go for it. Tight squeeze. Holy smokes. Now it's right back up. But 4 miles left, roughly. See you soon. Wow, what an amazing race. This whole race was on the mountain. Yes, so a lot different than it was on Mount Rainier. Some epic views. If you didn't know, Mount Rainier is a glacier, and so it is, there's plenty of snow up here. In fact, we were running, there were a few parts where we ran over the snow, ran through over some rivers. I even took a spill that you guys saw there, and that hurt. It was crossing over a river, and the logs that were that had fallen to help runners run over were really slippery. I slipped down, 1 foot fell in the water, and I landed on my side. That somehow cut my finger, and that's the worst of it. Legs are okay. After 2 days, 3 days of running, I feel pretty good, you know. And that is attributed to all the training, you know, the long taper that I had over the past 2 weeks, where it was very little running, a lot of cross training, but it was a good time, you know, and that's probably the best part about these past 2 days. I was able to visit my home state in Washington, took a detour around the state to retrace some of my routes past the Yakima Indian Reservation, and then headed south down here to Mount Hood, and this has just been a beautiful area. I hope to really come back and visit and, you know, enjoy it a little bit more without having to, you know, rush back to the hotel to check out at the right time and so on. But I'm really glad that I got a chance to shower. I mean, seriously, I needed to shower. There was no showers in Mount Rainier, so on my way over, I was pretty funky. You know, just giving George Clinton a run for his money with all that funk, no doubt. But anyhow, thanks for watching, and this whole time has been just absolutely epic. Mountain to mountain, state to state. Next one. San Jose.